So today we will be doing exercise 11.2 class 10th constructions. The first question is draw a circle of radius 6 cm. So we will take a scale and a compass and we will first draw a circle of radius 6 cm. Now for that what we have to do, we have to take our compass and we have to open it 6 centimeter and you have to draw a circle. So just keep it like this and draw a circle. This circle, the radius of this circle is 6 centimeters. So like this we can draw this circle. So this will be 6 centimeter. So now you can write here, this is the center of the circle and the radius of this circle is 6 centimeter. Now they are saying from a point 10 centimeter away from the center. Now you have to take another point. Now again use your scale and locate a point which is at a distance of 10 centimeter from O. See, to locate a point which is at a distance of 10 centimeter, what I have done, I have kept my scale like this. This O is at the 10th point, so this 0 point, so this distance will be 10 centimeters. So I can take this point as P. Now question is, from a point 10 centimeter away from its center, construct the pair of tangents to the circle. Now we will learn how to draw a pair of tangents to a circle from an external point. Now for that what we have to do, you have to join this external point with the center like this. And next step will be, you will be drawing the perpendicular bisector of PO. Now how to draw a perpendicular bisector? Keep your compass at O and open your circle or take the radius to be more than, approximately more than half of OP. See, this is more than this length. You can take it approximately. Now you can draw an arc here and here, and from P, now keep your compass at P and you can cut it like this and this. So you can again come to point O and you can increase it. So this will be, when you will join these two points, you will get perpendicular bisector of OP like this. So this is perpendicular bisector of OP, and let this point of intersection of perpendicular bisector and OP, let me give the name as M. Now what is the next step? Now you keep your compass at M and you have to draw another circle with radius equal to PM, right? Keep taking the center M, draw a circle whose radius is equal to PM or MO. Since M is the midpoint of, just wait, M is the midpoint of OP, as I have drawn perpendicular bisector of OP. Now you can see this new circle is intersecting our original circle at 2 points. One is this, one is this. Let me take the points as A and B. Now what I will do, just join very carefully, join point P with A. So this is one tangent that you will get. And now join P with B. This will be the another tangent. See, this is the another tangent that we are getting. Okay. Okay. So these are the two tangents from external point P to a circle which is of radius 6 centimeter, and this point P was 10 centimeter away from the circle. Now at the end they are saying measure their length. That is, you have to measure the length of the tangents. Now let us see what is AP. See, it is 8 centimeter. And when I will see this, this is also 8 centimeters. So we can write that PA is equal to PB is equal to 8 centimeter. So we have done one theorem that lengths of tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So we are getting them to be equal. This theorem we have done. So we can see the practical applicability of this theorem. And what else we have done? We have done that this, when I will join A with O, then tangent will make angle of 90 degree with it. And if you will use Pythagoras theorem here, then also you will get, since this was 10, this is 6, when you will use Pythagoras theorem also, then PA will then also be equal to 8 centimeter. That's all. Thank you very much.